69% of very small businesses experienced a cyber attack in 2017. But 57% say they have no dedicated IT staff to take care of things. That's why we developed Kaspersky Small Office Security. It's designed specifically for very small businesses. It gives you maximum protection and maximum ease of use. Anyone can use it. Install in under 10 minutes. It's as easy as ordering office supplies or making a coffee. All the security you need to protect your business is ready to run right out of the box. Protect 5 to 25 users, computers, file servers, laptops, and mobile devices from online attacks, financial fraud, ransomware, and data loss. One management portal gives true ease of use from anywhere. You can even send installation links to remote users. System Watcher protects you from ransomware with detection, block, and rollback of malicious actions. Safe Money protects your financial transactions and online banking. Protect Android-based devices, even employee-owned ones. Secure web browsing and privacy. And protect your email from phishing, spam, malicious attachments, and other attacks. And for even greater data protection, backup and encryption keep your sensitive data safe from prying eyes. While Password Manager protects your logins, you only have to remember one. Kaspersky Small Office Security is so easy to use, anyone can do it. There's no configuration or management skills needed. It all works right out of the box. It's always-on security for always-on businesses like yours. What else can you do in 10 minutes? Give it a try. Find out more today.